So, okay, so what do we want to do now? What do we want to do now?
Make hold so you can hold space and shoot, but also not send a billion packages.
No, that sounds boring.
Okay.
I want to make something. I want to make something new. I want to make something flashy. Okay, let's do this.
Camera shake.
What?
Scoreboard.
Camera shake.
Oh god. Okay, so we got camera
Scoreboard.
shake, scoreboard.
Platforming.
What?
Platforming.
Platforming. That's gonna be
Gravity, jump on platforms, shoot yourself.
shoot yourself. That's all. Did you say that? Jump on platform, kill yourself. What? Bomberman. Bomberman's pretty fun actually.
Yeah.
I think. Okay, I have an idea. Let's do this. So we're gonna change the game a little bit, because right now it's like, okay, you join, you get shot, you die, and it's over, and there's no real winner. But I kind of want to have a winner. So what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna do it so when I hit space in the server, then the game starts, and that means everyone who's in is in the game, and no one else can join in. And then the last person to survive will be the winner, and then it restarts. I think that would be fun.
Just a quick question: Is
Yeah.
there any way to solve though the lag issue we had? Yeah, basically still from my end, at least from my computer here when playing, it still ends up with these where you shoot the players, it doesn't always register. So, is that something that can be solved right now, or is that like too advanced?
I mean, I don't have anything on, so either it's a programming issue on your side or it's your network issue. Because I mean, you're on VPN, so of course there's gonna be ping from that. So yeah, unfortunately, there's no way for me to fix that just out of hand. Unfortunately.
See.
Okay. So let's make that. So let's make it so you can't shoot until I start a game. And then when I start the game, no one else can join. So the players who are in the game are gonna be fighting for their right to party. Okay, so let's do that. It won't take too long. So let's make a game state on the server main. So I'm just gonna make a bool game started. It's false. So when this game started, set to true. Or okay, first of all, when this is false, I don't want anyone to be able to shoot. So I'm gonna add that to the player request fire here as a condition. So I'm gonna say in here, if game started is false, so it's like not game started, then break. Which means that no one will be able to shoot until I start the game. Okay, then we're going to add, so when I hit space, I'm gonna toggle the starting state. So let's see, let's just go somewhere, maybe here. Just before the update, I'm just gonna do if key ing, key pressed, key space, then game started is equal to not game started. So I'm just gonna toggle it. And then I'll just draw on top of the screen what the state is. So I'll just do eng draw text, or just eng text, I think. Yep. We'll do it 800, is 412. I'll just do a ternary here. So the game started, otherwise waiting. We'll set the color to just white. So let's see if this works. So right now we're waiting. Okay. And no one can shoot because we're waiting right now. But as soon as I go, so 3, 2, 1, go! Then everyone can start shooting and killing each other, and it's just total chaos. And then if I go back to waiting, then no one can shoot. Started. Oh, Killer Man, let's go. Oh. Yeah. So that works. So that's good. So now we can toggle the game state on the server. Let's make it so when we are started, no one else can join. So we're gonna reject all of the connections while we're started, so that the players who are in the game are the ones battling it out. So let's do that. And I'm just gonna. Sorry?
Can we print the winner as well?
Yes, so at the end we're also gonna print the winner. So when a user connects, we are going to check if, let's do it actually before I print. If game started, then we're just gonna immediately kick them. Server kick user. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, so now that they're waiting, people are coming in. And then if I set to started, now hopefully, if I try to connect here, that it just closes down. Bet for the winner. Very nice. Okay, so now the general thing is in. So now we can also start a new game by me just, getting back out and then doing whatever. So let's and begin. Let's see here who wins. Okay, they're all being the distance. No one's going aggressive yet. Kofu Slayer being very aggressive. Beepo with the very aggressive plays. But can the fish goes over. Kofu Slayer. Oh, Beppo! Beppo. Okay.
Too fast. I didn't have time to join.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's do one last thing, and then we'll do a proper game with as many people as possible and see what happens. So let's do the winner message, okay? So when someone wins, I want to display a little message saying that they have won. So let's see here. So we'll do. Let's see. This one might be a little bit trickier, actually.
Maybe someone dies, we can just loop through and see how many players are alive.
Let's just do the easiest one. Let's see. It's kind of ugly, but it's the easiest one. Let's just do check if we have a winner. So I will just do num alive players, and I just loop through all players. I'll also do a last alive player index here. Just save those two at the same time. So we'll do if player alive Then num alive players plus plus, and last alive player is player ID. Oh, I'm also gonna do this only if we're actually playing. So I'll do an if game started there. So this is very ugly. Never do this, but whatever. It's easy. It's simple. I don't want to work today. Okay. So then we can check if num alive players is equal to 1. Then we're gonna draw so I'm just gonna use the eng print f here to do no, not eng print, wait, eng text f, there we go. So we're gonna print at, I don't know, I guess the middle of the screen, 400, 300. We'll type percent s1 wins. And then we'll do players, last alive player, name. Whoops. And then if no one is alive, so if if you know if they ended up killing each other, then I'll just print 400, 300, draw.
I think you have to do else if, right? Because otherwise we'll just print always.
Yes, thank you. There we go. Okay, so let's try it. See if it works. Oh, whoops! What? I don't know what happened there. Okay, so we have some players in, and 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Onyx goes out. Coffee Slayer is cornered. Killer Man. Oh, it's Noob Killer versus Coffee Slayer. Who will win? Noob Killer 69 taking the center of the map. Coffee Slayer could be saying, oh, Noob Killer 69 wins. Noob Killer 69. Woo! Okay, so it works. So let's have a big game. Oh, he left the draw. So let's have a bigger game. I want to join too. I want to play. Okay, so you're free to join again. Okay. Well, some people are like coming in and then getting kicked right away.
I'm getting like booted immediately. I don't really know why.
Yeah, but you're the cheater, right?
Yeah, you're trying to cheat, bro.
I'm not trying to cheat.
Okay, I think you're cheating actually.
I have another plan.
Stupid lag.
Okay, Coffee Slayer, get the fuck away from me. Okay, guys, are you ready? Justus is in. Anyone else? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Coffee Slayer get fucked. Okay. Oh, Beppo. No! Okay, so we have. Oh, it's Beppo versus equals false. Okay, both are quite careful. Equals false taking the center of the map. Beppo is in the corner. Equals Force being very aggressive against Beppo. Oh, that was close! Oh, Equals Force alive with just a skim of health. Oh, here we go. Okay, Beppo moved into a corner. Equals Force going aggressive. No! Congratulations, Beppo. Oh god. Okay, so yeah, that's a
Let's try it once more. I think I have something working.
okay. So we're gonna try once more because I think he's trying to cheat here, Mr. Man, Mr. Marcus. Let's do one more round. I wanna have another go. I wanna have a redemption in this shit. Okay, don't spawn kill me.
What the fuck?
Oh, someone is cheating. I see.
Jesus.
Am I the only one who gets this slight lag or so? Yeah, I guess.
Vänta, dra emot närmast. Dude. Oh no, Marcus.
I wonder why people are getting kicked like this.
Fucking bring it!
Okay, guys, you ready? Yep. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, you fucking asshole! Halo lover! Let me out of the corner! Oh, that was so close. Oh, Halo lover! Oh. Shit. No! Fuck! Okay, we got very equal fight. Everyone taking one to the corner. No one wants to make an aggressive move. Halo lover, we're very aggressive against Sonic. This goes down!
Is the Cinderella story true?
It's 2 versus 1. Beppo being forced onto 2. Oh, Beppo goes down. Equals false on Halo lover. Who will win? Halo lover got the center. Equals false. Experiencing the same pressure he exerted last game. Equals false. Push to its limits. Halo lover, can he make it? Can he bring it back? Can it be aggressive? But also, watch out for the equals false retaliation. Equals false. By the sliver of his teeth is still alive. Halo lover now being pushed back to the bottom of the screen. Equals false taking the center. Halo lover testing out the patience of equals false here. He goes down. Halo lover 3000. Who is Halo lover 3000? Is that Oliver? Fredrik! Hey! Nice one.
I just want to check something. Do you get kicked if you send a message before the game starts?
No. You shouldn't.
Because what I basically did, I made a bot
Okay.
that auto targets players and just goes for a kill. But they apparently get kicked because they try to send messages.
Are you sending the ID correctly? Because I have some fall traps, right? If you're trying to shoot, like if you're trying to
Shoot before the game starts.
no, if you're like if you're oh, I'm the wrong place. Like here, if you're trying to, for example, set your name of someone who isn't you. From
No. Like the ID they send is correct.
Uh-huh.
Because the bots, if you start up the server, it's gonna try joining with one bot.
Yeah, the
to
server's
see-
up.
But can you join now? Like, the game has started.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I'm joining with one bot, and it's not doing anything right now. And I get client send was called, but we're not connected to a server,
Mm-hmm.
and it crashes.
Well, I can try and see if when I kick you. Let's see. Debug. Yeah.
Say Emil, before when you were showing the drop in performance they had on the what's called server, where we where did we write code to fix that after you showed us?
Performance on the server?
Yeah, like few days ago or so when how to say it? Yeah, you see drop rate how they didn't move exactly to yeah, exactly when you press that they like slowed down and yeah, lerped to their new position, but it was still not completely like perfect and so.
Well, yeah, the performance was because we were spamming messages from everyone. So the way we fixed it was by using prediction instead of sending your position every frame. So that was how we fixed that. Marcus, could you try joining with your bots and see when I kick you?
Yeah. I think I might have figured out what it could be.
Could you in time show us the code for where we print the winner?
Yep. Here. Oh, there you go. I kick you. Oh my god.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I think I know what it is.
Yeah, you're sending the wrong player ID, man. You're sending 0.
Yeah, I think I know why as well. I have to fix this. That fucking sound!
Oh my god, it's like being echoed over Discord as well.
Stop.
Okay. So, so let's. So I'm gonna end it for today. I have nothing else that we can do in 20 minutes, and I'm very tired. What are you clapping for?
I know, people started clapping, so I just followed.
It's like, you sheep. No, yeah, so let's end it for today, and we'll kick it up back on Monday. But first I want to do one final game, because I want to win one. So let's do one final game. I want to win once.
You know, from my end, the most unsatisfying part wasn't losing, but rather when I shot several times, hit the player, but nothing happened.
Yeah, that's lag for you.
Yeah, and end of time when I how to say it, when I died, the shot that hit me was, or it was several like a long distance away from me. So basically, the game shut down before it actually rendered me getting hit by the projectile on screen.
Yeah, that's what happens when we have server authority over stuff like that. So let's okay guys, are you ready?
Oh my god.
I don't know what's gonna happen. These bots are making me a little bit nervous, but I guess we'll see.
Oh man.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, wait, I'm gonna move away. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, fuck! Okay, the bots are killing each other. Oh, Beepo, kill the bot. I don't know what he's doing. Ah! So Coffee Slayer just has to clean up here and then he'll win.
What? Where are you? Yeah, well, it's not synced correctly.
What, really?
Yeah, I couldn't see all of the bots either.
Oh my god!
Oh, he got killed by
Are
a
you
bot.
kidding me? He was standing still.
Wow,
He was
Coffee Slayer, the most humiliating defeat.
That was the worst game ever. That was the worst.
Coffee Slayer, by
That
the
was
way.
the worst game ever. Alright, well, I'm gonna end on that unsatisfying note. Thank you, Marcus. Yeah, thanks for a good. That was a good lesson, even though I was super tired. I think we did some fun stuff today. So on Monday, my plan. Let's stretch my legs. Okay, so my plan on Monday. Damn, it's echoing in here. I can hear my own voice. On Monday, I think next week we're gonna do a project. So
Is it next week, last week?
next week is not last week. There's one more week.
On the schedule?
Yes. What?
It's 2 more weeks.
Yes, it's 2 more weeks. After today.
I think it's on schedule 1 week, Mark, but
Yeah, the schedule
Yeah,
says
but we-
the next week is that week mainly.
We end on the
Yeah.
24th.
What?
What?
Yeah, we end on the 24th.
What do you mean?
Like term.
Yeah.
The
I will end you on
School.
the 24th.
Yeah, we end on 24, so it's 2 weeks
Then
left.
it ends on the 24th.
Well, if my schedule is wrong, then I'll fix it. But
Will we have a lesson on the Christmas Eve?
Yes.
Because that's Friday.
Of course.
Santa's gonna be late with all this latency as well, so it's fine.
yeah, I guess we won't have. I guess we'll do final lesson on Thursday instead of Friday. I guess.
No, but on Christmas Eve. Yes. That could be fun.
Uh,
To do on Christmas Eve, what do you mean? Yeah, like I'm.
He's a lonely man. He doesn't celebrate Christmas. Okay, but so anyways, next week I'm thinking we're gonna do a project. So that will be the exercise for this course. Will be this project. So you guys are gonna pick a mechanic or something to do.
Bunny jump.
What?
Bunny jump.
Could be bungee jump. One mechanic that is player driven, which means something the player does, like shooting a bullet or something like that. And one mechanic that is server driven. It could be like a laser that kills people or a spawn an AI or something. I think that's how it's gonna be at least. And then you're gonna spend the week working on that, and I will be more of a mentor kind of guy, walking around and helping. And then that will be that will be what I grade you on for this course. Then the week after that, I will give you more details on Monday. I'm gonna write everything down, all the details. Then the week after that, we're gonna go over small things. I'm gonna show you UDP and show you what that is. And we're also gonna look a little bit at Unreal networking and then just show you a little bit about what that is. Just to give you guys a little bit of broader knowledge. Any questions on that?
Can we clap?
Can we do one more round because I improved the AI?
No.
Please.
Do you have an AI? You can play with yourself. Okay, we can do one last round. Yeah, exactly.
That's cool.
No, don't do it in public, dude.
It's a not
That's
so
public business.
The assignment is like to do that and base it on the engine we have now, basically.
Yeah, so you're gonna add a feature to the game on your own. I'll write up during the weekend. I'll write up details so you guys have all the deets that you need. But so yes, so next week won't be lessons in the same way that we've been doing right now. It will more be me just helping you guys out. I'm not sure if that will be from home or not. I'll decide over the weekend, I think. But yeah. So, what was I gonna say?
Goodbye.
No. No, but I have nothing else. So, any last questions before we? Like Frederick he's so excited to just clap his ass off. So,
Yeah.
any
Say 2 weeks left on this course.
2 weeks left.
Isn't it just one?
I'm pretty sure it's 2. Let me just
It's 2 weeks left, yes.
let me just double check this actually.
This is the last thing we do for Christmas, it should be, but there's no lesson plan on campus. Yeah, there's no.
Yeah.
I mean, what will we be doing the last week then?
Maybe you forgot to make the lessons on campus public.
I don't think we have another course this semester.
Yeah, so the last week, the week after next week, will be going over random stuff like UDP and Unreal networking. So it won't be
Awesome.
anything super spectacular. It's taking it easy before the Christmas. Crimbus. But otherwise, thanks guys.
Oh, Yeah.
sorry.
Thank you.
So next week it seems to be last week, is it?
No, there's
No.
2 weeks left.
Oh. Okay. Can't see it on the calendar.
I must have forgotten to do the last week on calendar.
All right.
Okay. Thanks guys.
Thank you, Emil.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Bye.
I hate this. I hate the clapping. Thanks.
Like, we really want to give you the clap.
Thank you. Oh dear. Do you always clap for every teacher? I hope you do.
No, God, no.
Oh my
This
god.
is the first.
Jesus.
In Stockholm University, when I studied, we did for every teacher except computer technology.
Oh really? Amazing.
Yeah, the thing is, we can clap now because you're here, but like if you're not here, we start doing kind of sounds wrong over the microphone.
Yeah.